Hi, I'm Ryan McKean. When you're starting a law firm, there's a lot to do, and sometimes it's the things that you're not doing that end up costing you a lot of money. And I'm going to share with you a story of how I lost a lot of money. And when I was an associate at a firm, I had an assistant, and my assistant would, when I would go to court, when I would go to meet clients out of the office, keep track of my mileage. It was awesome. When I went out on my own, I didn't have an assistant. And one of the things that fell by the wayside was mileage and tracking my mileage. Each year at tax time, the accountant would ask me for a copy of my mileage log. And what I would do is I would go back, I'd look at my calendar, and I would then apply the mileage based upon what was in my calendar. But I wasn't capturing anywhere near all of my mileage, and it was really inefficient. It would take a few hours on a few hours of me sitting there looking at my mileage, or looking at where I went, and then calculating the mileage, and then putting it in a spreadsheet. And I was frankly selling myself short. And one of the things that you can do to improve your practice or improve life for yourself is, I think, download an app, and the app is called MileIQ or MileIQ, and I've linked to it below. I've been using this app for about 6 months now, and I love it. You don't have to do anything. It knows when you're in your car. It automatically calculates your mileage for you. It automatically calculates the expense for you. It creates spreadsheets which are exportable to give to your accountant for tax time. And it lists your drives like this. I've got it up on my screen, and this is just my normal daily commute, and that is not deductible as a business expense. So what I do is I can swipe right for business, which it's not, and left for personal, which it is. So it makes it so it's not added to my mileage calculation. I found that this app has allowed me to capture thousands of dollars in a year that I otherwise wouldn't have captured. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for 6 months, and it's, sometimes it's the little things that make a difference, and this is one of those things.